So in the previous class, we learned about the urban local bodies. Then we learned the elections of the municipal corporations. The elected main head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. Under that, deputy mayor will be work. There are standing committees are there for the tax appointments, town planning, health, work, and the account. Then we are learn about the municipal commissioner, who is a chief executive officer of municipal corporations. Now it's time for to learn the functions of the municipal corporations. So first we learn about the municipal corporation. Now it's time for the function. You can see the images also here. First is the क्लीनिंग यू कैन से द मेडोरिटी जो कंपलसरी एवरी टाउन में या फिर एवरी अर्बन एरिया में होना
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम गुड आफ्टरनून
good morning good afternoon request to every student whenever we are start the class so don't wish me the good morning or good afternoon let it be it wish me after when I stop the topic or complete the topic first there is the cleaning you can say that क्लीनिंग पर्पस जो कंपलसरी होता है ये आप भी देखते हो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज आर देयर एंड दे आर क्लीन आवर स्ट्रीट आवर एरियाज आवर urban areas you can say that this will be under all the municipal corporations they are also take care for the hospitals maintenance also most of on the focus on the government bridges also to construct the bridge factories to provide such type of facilities like electricity or you can say the road facility transportation facility this is all under the municipal corporation so let's read them one by one functions of the municipal corporations already you know about that but just we are going to read mukti
Functions of municipal corporation. A municipal corporation coordinates with the state government for the effective implementation of the various developmental programs.
Hmm.
Mandatory functions. Supply for pure water, construction and maintenance of public streets.
मैंडेटरी मीन्स कंपलसरी फंक्शंस जो उनको करने ही पड़ेंगे नेक्स्ट रीड
Lighting and watering for public streets, cleaning of public streets, places and sewers, regulation of offensive,
offensive
offensive dangerous or obno-
obnoxious
obnoxious traits
obnoxious
and
means a disagreeable agreeable
traits and callings for practice. Maintenance
regulation
or
means rules that you have to be followed there for this there are the different rules
maintenance or support of public hospitals, establishment and maintenance of primary schools, registration of births and deaths, removing obstructions and projections in public streets, bridges and other places, naming streets and numbering houses.
you know that our house have a particular number and on the previous year the government members are came and take a one number plate that give the house number and number also and hold it on our house in front of our house at the starting point of our house that is on under the municipal corporation ताकि अगर कोई आता है तो पता चले कि इस ये जो इस वार्ड में this house is in this ward and the house number is this one okay next it's the voluntary functions Nihal
मैम मैं रीड करूँ मैम कैन आई रीड
निहाल, वेट, निहाल ने एक भी बार रीड नहीं किया। रोशनी, okay, now start reading.
Voluntary functions. Construction and maintenance of public park, garden, library, museum, rest house, leper homes, orphanage, and rescue home for women.
रेस्क्यू मीन्स अ डिफेंस होम जहाँ पे वुमेन की सेफ्टी होती है। नेक्स्ट,
Planting and maintenance of roadside or and other trees. Housing for low income group. Conducting surveys.
ओके,
Organizing public
रिसेप्शंस,
reception, public exhibition,
एग्जीबिशंस,
public
एंटरटेनमेंट,
entertainment, provision of transport facilities with the
municipalities,
municipality, promotion of welfare of municipality
employees.
employees.
Okay, so you can see here these are the functions. First is the mandatory functions. In you already know that what will be the government means a municipal will be done. But tell me one thing, जो municipal work करता है कि he will be take care of the public park, garden, hospitals, orphanages. Even they are giving the lighting and watering to the public place, street, and giving the name of the street, numbering of the house, support the public hospitals. All the things will be do directly. वो डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही करते होंगे कि भाई मेंटेनेंस करना है, हॉस्पिटल का मेंटेनेंस करना है, तो क्या वो खुद के रुपीस जो होते हैं वो खर्च करते होंगे? For example, just assume that you are one of the municipal employee. Now, your work is that you have to be maintain the public garden. आपको public garden को maintain करना है, yes?
मैम जो पब्लिक हमको टैक्स देते होंगे उससे ही हम रिपेयर कर सकते हैं ना?
किससे? पब्लिक हमें
टैक्स जो देती है वो
टैक्स देती है, राइट आंसर। अगर आप एक एम्प्लॉय है तो आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही आपको गवर्नमेंट रुपीस देंगे तभी तो आप उसको रिपेयर कर पाओगे, उसको मेंटेन कर पाओगे। बट where the government will be give her income, गवर्नमेंट के पास भी कहाँ से आते हैं इतने पैसे? that will be came from our side, वो डायरेक्टली पब्लिक के पास से ही लिए जाते हैं in form of the such type of taxes. So these are the many sources of the income. You can see here there are the sources of the income here in place in form of the different type of taxes. Educational tax, जो अभी आप टैक्स पढ़ रहे हो, अभी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, that is a there will be one tax for that also, that will be given by the school or the colleges. Toll tax for the vehicles, entertainment for the movies, professional tax for the faculties, for the teacher, property tax for the house or the land, such type of land. Then grant in aid, that is a one type of help aid. The one is the octroi tax, that is a one of the tax for the goods. अगर आपको कोई transportation करना है, you have a heavy good to transform one place to another place, you have to be pay the octroi tax. So these are the sources of the income of the government that will be given by us, जो हम ही उनको देते हैं हमारी केयर करने के लिए. So let's read the sources of the income. Yes, sir. Who will be read?
Ma'am,
हाँ, करो.
the municipal corporation collects taxes from people for providing and running several services. A tax is a sum of money that people pay to the government for services the government provides. The municipal corporation collects taxes in different ways, such as toll tax for use of roads, octroi tax on goods coming into a city. But the expenses of municipalities are more as compared to its income. Hence, the state governments give grants to the municipalities. A grant in aid is the aid given to local bodies by the government for meeting their expenditure.
Okay. What is the grant aid? It's a one aid means a one type of help that will be जो हमारे expense होती है वो that will be a more than the tax. जो हम tax देते हैं उससे ज्यादा होती है हमारी expenses means for the maintenance that will be a more. That's why that government develop a state government develop a grant that is a grant in aid, that is a aid means a one type of help to the local bodies who are the state commissioner, or you can say the maintenance person of the particular area, and give him the money to maintain the public part and etc. Okay, so that is a one of the case study of Surat. So here we are talking about the municipal corporation, what are they work, which are the functions of that, how they are working. This is a one of the case study of the Surat. Uh, it will be displayed that how municipal work together and improve the city Surat. Now you know that Surat is the clean city nowadays, but before a before a years there is a not a Surat is not a clean city. It's a one of the dirtiest city, and there are the many diseases are there. So then whole the case study is given to you. So let's read it. What will be happen in the 1994? Yes, Yatharth, start reading.
Wait, ma'am. Wait 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, case study.
Hmm.
Case, correct. Case study Surat. The city of Surat had a plague scare in 1994.
Plague is a
Surat,
one of the disease. Yes.
Surat was then one of the dirtiest city in India. Plague is bacterial disease of rodents that
Rodent
can
is a one of the animal name that will be a look like a rat, and it will be directly eat the rat. वो rat जो होता है उससे भी थोड़ा डेंजर होता है जिसकी वजह से प्लेग आया था.
that can spread to humans and other animals by infected fleas. The main reason for the plague
Epidemic.
epidemic in Surat was the insanitary
Sweat.
sewerage conditions and the inept
Inept
health infrastructure.
infrastructure. That will be fleas is a one of the insect that will be also one of the reason for the plague at that time. We continue.
The epidemic caused panic and anxiety in the city.
Hmm.
Within days of epidemic, thousands of people started leaving Surat and the city came to standstill.
Apprehenses.
Operations were such that trains were not allowed to halt in Surat station. Surat suffered huge financial losses in terms of business. However, with the help of public support and a host of reforms by the Surat Municipal Corporation, Surat became a clean city within a short period of 18 months.
Okay.
The government, non-governmental agencies, civil society, as well as the private sector came together. S.R. Rao and S. Jagdishan had served as Surat's municipal commissioners in the mid and late 1990s. They changed the complete look of the city.
Remember the name. This will be asked in the MCQ also.
The cleaning of dirt and debris, disposal of carcasses, pumping of stagnant water, spraying of pesticides, and anti-rodent operations were given to top priorities. The garbage was disposed by unloading the solid waste and plastic sheets that were spread in the disposal site to prevent the
Prevent.
toxic waste from seeping into the earth. The
Sipping
threat
means
of
leak. Leak. Okay.
The threat of epidemic was further reduced by setting up of urban medical centers. Soon, Surat became one of the cleanest cities of India.
Okay, you can say here first it will be it was a dirtiest city in India, and before whenever the government start working, the municipals collectors are start working. The Surat became a cleanest cities, and it will be goes the top level now in a business in India. In सूरत में जो होता है वहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा बिजनेस होता है for the cloth. It is famous for the cloth also. Okay, here some of the uh, you can see the cleaning, how they are focused on the cleaning. All the disposable and the plumbing are stop that, and if there are any of the people are doing the dirt on that side, at that time the commissioner give the actions to that peoples. Plague is one of the disease that is the most dangerous at that time. लाइक कोरोना, जैसे हमारा कोरोना हुआ है, कोरोना को बहुत ज्यादा टाइम हो गया, प्लेग इतना टाइम नहीं रहा था. Okay. Next is the advanced locality management that will be run in the next class. So if you have a query in the previous topics, means a case study and the function, so you can be asked me.
No, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, I want to tell you one thing more, that if some of the students are not here yesterday, that on the next Friday and Saturday, that will be a practical exam for you of Python of computer.
Ma'am, कब?
Next Friday and the Saturday, not this Friday, Saturday, next Friday and Saturday.
Okay.